My name is Katerina and I'm from Czech Republic. I'm 21 years old and I study optometry at university.
Hi, I'm Wojciech, I'm from Poland. I'm 19 years old and I'm really proud to be a part of this project, Act Yourself, Protect Yourself. We are learning about the AIDS and HIV stuff. Yeah, so it's me. Hello.
C'est un projet qui donc est dans le cadre d'Erasmus, un projet pour les jeunes, et qui a pour thème en fait le safe sex. Et le titre c'est Act Yourself, Protect Yourself. Et donc on se réunit ici pour finir faire un ensemble de choses qui sont une brochure ensemble, une brochure safe sex de jeunes destinée aux autres jeunes, et aussi d'utiliser Internet pour diffuser ces informations.
All the workshops we have here, they are quite interesting. Some of them are very special, I would say, but we have much fun here and we learn so many stuff here, so I really like it here.
The best part of the project, actually, it was the Polish night. Because I'm from Poland, I'm very proud of it, and actually it was the first night. But I can say that every evening is good because every evening I learn a lot. I can know about something Romania, something about Macedonia, something about also, of course, Luxembourg, Belgium. I see that in Luxembourg I have a lot of different cultures, like a lot of black guys, a lot of white guys. Some people speak French, some people speak German, some people know the Luxembourgian. It was a dialect, yeah. And I see that Luxembourgian people are really open to other people, yeah.
I think I learned a lot about other countries here, and I learned a lot about how this organization works and how it tries to connect people from the whole Europe, mostly young people, so I think it's a great experience.